nianze kulipua kitu.
Sasa shindi yako unaongea. Unajua ukilipua kitu unaongea, tunaanza maneno zie tunapanga nini.
Mama. Hello guys, welcome to yet another video of Garissa town. Today I have my friend here. He will introduce himself. And by the way, we are going to show you part of Garissa town that you've never seen on TV. Before we go ahead, let him introduce himself.
Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to travel within Garissa township, guys, and somewhere you have never seen on TV or anywhere else. This guys, we are going to show you a video that is so good, so favorite, guys, to everyone, and I know you can enjoy it, guys. Tumesimamisha kwanza, sio?
Bado hakuna kusimamisha. Twende edit.
And guys,
we are along 15 we are coming from Has towards Gula 15.
Yes.
Just before we reach Garissa Law Courts.
Yes.
On our right there is this hotel here called Palm Oasis.
Yeah.
So,
Palm Oasis.
Yeah, we are going to take you around here. This part we've never shown you on our videos.
Yes.
And we've by the way, this also this part of the pictures that you've never seen from Garissa town. You see, we are on tarmac.
Yeah.
And we are just getting.
And guys, don't forget just to subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, this
just comment, like, and share the videos, guys, so that we can guys, we can be able to show you more and more and more favorite areas of Garissa.
You get notification so that you won't miss our next video.
Yeah,
so
guys.
This is Palm Oasis. You see, there is that signpost here.
Yes, guys.
And we are going on this direction.
We are heading
this direction. We are going straight down there.
Yes,
so
guys.
enjoy as we walk with you.
Yes, guys.
We're just doing a walking tour.
You can see there are some cars.
People going in there
in and out.
Yeah, these are sometimes customers and people who live around here. You see the road. Yeah, this road is paved.
It's well. It's well done, guys.
Yes.
If you come with your Mercedes Benz, guys, you can see the road is so clear, guys. And if you look in front of there, you can see some border riders. They are waiting for the customers who are there, guys, coming to enjoy themselves. And they have no vehicle or a motorcycle just to get out of here. You can see there are some borders here. They are waiting to get there. They are on their hustle, the guys. Yeah.
Yes, sir. You see, we are just walking along the road. Palm Oasis Hotel is just around here.
Yes, guys.
But this is this tall guy with a short man.
Yeah, guys.
This is the man himself. By the way, he has a channel.
Yes.
What is your channel name?
My channel name is Bata 254.
Bata 254. Bata for BATA.
Yeah.
254.
254. You can get my channel there, guys.
Yeah, it's just a new channel.
Just
a few subscribers.
Yeah.
He has just started. By the way, go there, subscribe to his channel.
Comment, guys.
Comment. Let us support this guy.
Yeah.
Let him grow as well. He will be showing us more and more of Garissa, just like I'm doing, and I'm sure with my collabo with him, we can show you a lot about Garissa.
And hi guys.
Garissa and other areas.
Yeah.
Yes. So in the meantime, enjoy our small walk
that we have done.
Yes.
We're just trying our best to show that we are hardworking. We want to
subscribe bado jawambia.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel guys. Even this one guys, subscribe, comment guys.
Hii ni kamera. Ni video tunafanya saa hii. Inaangalia nyuma.
This is the hotel that we are talking about.
Yes.
You can see the hotel is so good and so wonderful. It's so cool here guys. There's no
vipi?
Everything is okay guys. And guys, I have my new channel guys. Don't forget about my channel. Just search for Bata 254
You can see how beautiful this place is. This is Palm Oasis compound
area.
From here on the other side,
Yeah,
but we are on the road. We are just strolling around, showing you around here. Maybe next time we will be going inside there and show you more about this hotel.
yeah.
On our left hand side here, most of the offices around here are government offices.
Yeah guys.
On this left there is the Ministry of Agriculture offices around here. You can see the entrance here. It's for the Ministry of Agriculture. But on our right, this is the hotel, man. Palm Oasis. If you are among the top of the top, the grand mullahs of Garissa town, this is where you eat. This is where you
enjoy yourself.
You come to enjoy yourself. And by there you see this metal here. Long vehicles are not allowed here
to travel this area.
You only come with your small vehicle. You can pass around here, and yeah, that is the reason as to why they put that metal there. In the meantime, you can see how beautiful this place is.
Yeah,
very, very beautiful.
You can see even people, they are just enjoying themselves.
See young people coming from the front side.
Yeah,
most of these young guys come here just to take photos, to have fun, and they are just around the hotel. They are not inside there, and they are having fun with themselves. So video camera.
Enjoy the video guys.
Yeah, this is another part of the hotel. You can see how big this hotel is. This is another entrance. This section, they do keep animals. They keep animals, and they also plant some crops like vegetable. So they kind of like harvest their own crops. They make their own food. Something like a project to reduce the cost of running the hotel. On this other side, you can see this farm. This is within the Ministry of Agriculture. This is a demo for flood irrigation, canal irrigation system. They are doing here, but in the meantime, it's like this land has been fallow for quite some time. So the project is on a halt.